Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I promise you I was not going to make another video, but I discovered something when I was finishing this out, and so I wanted to finish it out just for myself to see what it looked like. So I got about a little bit way through it, and I thought, I'm going to share that. Once you've gone to this point, I would have finished the whole thing out before I smart filled it. But once you've gone to this point, there might be an advantage to having the smart fill there. Like if we move that over there, the lines of our next smart fill are there or what we need to fill in, but I don't have to delete anything because they're behind the smart fill. Let's see if we can't move a few more. I'm going to try to make this a little short and sweet. Let's try that line. See, that's completely gone. I'm just going to delete it. That line goes there. That line goes there. That's needed. And that line goes there. And that's really I think about it. See, the lines that I moved, I don't have to cut them off. They're just covered. I think I need two more lines up in here. And then we'll just finish this puppy off. See, there you go. We needed that. We need a line over here. And it should be just one of these. There we go. Now, I don't have to delete any lines. Now, there's a double line there I don't like. I don't understand what that is, but delete one of them. And then I'm just going to use the same color plan. I've got that green. I'm going to fill that in. Now, if you notice that the black lines aren't showing up, and you know what? There's two lines there and probably only going to need to be one. But see, it's a lot less deleting. A lot less. Now we'll grab the whole thing and make the lines black. And the other lines, it's just the black lines are filling in the smart fill. There's still some red lines behind there, I promise you. Look at the lines I didn't have to delete because I turned them all black, but they're behind the smart fill. So it's going to save you a lot of cutting time. I need to, you know what? I need one more line for the you know what? I might have messed up because I need one more line for the back circular part. You know what? I made a copy, but I didn't move it over. It's probably right here. See if I got lucky. Nope. But you're getting what I'm saying, I hope, that, and then you could fill this in with old school, like we did on the very first video, just take a 2-point line and go from there to there, there to about there. And then you could fill that in with the cylinder color, which is the blue. Now see, those red lines are still there, so I have to delete them. And I think if I delete them, I'm going to know it worked. So I think I actually deleted the wrong line. But what I'm saying is you don't have to delete line. Let's just make an example. Let's take a smart fill and put it in here and just move this line over there. And see, you can't see it because the smart fill's on top. Now you could put them on top. You could go to order, object, order, front of page, and you can see it, but the smart fill evidently is on top. That's pretty cool. The only other thing I would like to play around with, and I promise I'm not going to make a video, is do some shading to make the interior parts a little darker. But anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you.